Dude. Testing on the beat. Lamp bot, what is good? How is the volume? How's the mic? How's the music? Music sounds good. Lit. Mic a little loud. Maybe it's me. Okay, I got you. Hold up. How about now? Or how about now? Testing on the E. Oh. Okay. Open up the old Godot. How you been, Lampbot? How's the alchemy game getting along? Hollowed Eve. It's pretty good. Only candy we have is from the candy tier list, which is gonna be mostly peppermints. But you know, I'm sure the kids will love it. Oh, water, dude. Lost the project for the game. That's annoying, but it's fine. What do you mean? You lost it. Got a new dog. Link it in the Discord, dude. Link it in the disc, dude. I want to see Pupper, dude. The files? How'd you lose it? What'd you do? Where's the last place you saw it? Screen cam. Let me fix this real quick. I want to chop off the old noggin. Oh, I see dog. Cute. Oh, you had ads. What's good? Look at Puppy Man. Cute. Is it a boxer? What kind of dog is that? He's cute. How old is he? Cute. There's a pair of boxers that live down the road from us, and they are very cute dogs. They're very cute boys. Did you watch the new vid? Candy tier list vid? Lampa? You're famous in there. My family only gets boxer dogs. I mean, they're cute. They're cute boys and girls, etc. Oh, yeah. I did at least one. Yeah, it's a long video. It's a long boy for sure. Why? What the damn? So the plan for today is kind of to block out the environment art for the freeze tag game here. I kind of started a little bit. Let me crack open Blender real quick. So I've got these like little modular pieces so we can start gray boxing. We got a floor piece, wall piece, ceiling piece, door piece. And I kind of started using the chunks here to set up the environment. So if you press play, I've done a bit since the last time we... Oh shit, why are you yelling at me? Steam not declared in current scope. What? Hey, what? Static for now, but eventually maybe procedurally generated. I can't really figure out how I want to do it. Because like if it's procedurally generated, tasks will have to be somewhat procedurally generated as well. And that will also make the tasks more generic, kind of, as opposed to like specifically for, you know, a specific map, which I think could be fine and maybe more fun. But it also kind of, I don't know. I think we have to play test before I start doing that. But I did set up a project a while ago in Unity, a multiplayer project, kind of the predecessor to this game. That was here. Let me make this bigger too. That was a procedurally generated multi-floor mansion that used Delaunay's tetrahedralization. Big words. Which was pretty fucking sick. Like it was a really pretty, it was a pretty complex algorithm to generate the map or whatever. But because normally how procedural generated dungeons like typically work is like you just have a grid and then you fill out that grid with like little rooms and then find the connections to each room. But this one was a lot more like intricate. It's pretty cool. Variety of static levels. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. Right now I just want to like get all the pieces like this set up so I can easily like design levels. You know what I mean? And then like what am I saying? So I can easily design the levels. You know? And then maybe we can turn that into some sort of procedurally generated. Yeah, focus on prototype stuff. But I do want to get like the general vibe. General vibe going, you know what I mean? But why is this bugging out here? Why is it not being able to find Steam all of a sudden? go. Let's see. Let me just reset that real quick. Yeah. G Develops hosting a game jam tomorrow. 10-day game jam. It's pretty tight. Multiplayer jam. Like online type shit. How do I clear this? How do I fucking clear this? Output. Hello? Oh. Dude, what? How is Steam not declared all of a sudden? I'm so confused. Steam is running. Like, what did I do? Here, let's close all this shit here. Oh, do I need a poll? I might need a poll. Yeah, maybe. Reload the project. Smart. Let me poll real quick though. Alright. We're up to date. Project reload. Wait, like what? I'm so confused about this error. I guess you can look at the diff, maybe. I don't know. It's like the project file is getting modified for some reason. Let's see. This is working yesterday. Ew, what? Two segundos. Or plus actions, issues. Add file. Oh, is it on a different branch? Maybe? No. I merged them. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's the character scene. We added new material. That's so weird. I need to reboot Steam, maybe? CEO of Buki LLC, what's your favorite game? Ever? I don't know. Maybe Breath of the Wild. I think I've put the most hours into that game. almost got every single shrine, but I haven't looked up a single one. You know what I mean? No guides. I think I have like 9 more. I just cannot fucking find them for the life of me. I haven't really played through all of Tears of the Kingdom. My problem with Tears of the Kingdom was like they did. I don't want to say lazy. It definitely wasn't lazy because they built a whole building mechanic and like, you know, have a bunch of more stuff in the game, new enemy types. But like, I just wish they didn't use the same map, dude. I didn't like that you were in the same place, even though they added like the underground or whatever and the overworld. Yeah, it just looks like exactly. It feels like more Breath of the Wild. Like I wish it would have been like what Majora's Mask was to Ocarina of Time. You know what I mean? Oh my god. Cheap viewers on streamu.com. Definitive Hallmark, thank you so much. Oh my god, Definitive Hallmark. Thank you. Thank you so much. Map is awesome. The map is dope. I don't know, it just like made it so I didn't really feel like I needed to play it. But I don't know. I'll probably play it eventually. Dude, this makes no fucking sense, dude. I should have tested this before I started stream. Yeah, I think Breath of the Wild was definitely an inspiration for a lot of people. I think open world, you know, games are pretty inspiring, I'd say, in general. Yeah. Dude, my brain is breaking because of this right now. It literally... Excuse me. Character.gd. Oh. Wait, no. I'm so confused. Why did I remove that? I was make an open world game, just still haven't decided on combat or focus or not. Your goal game is an open world game. Yeah. I think that's interesting. I think open world is just very difficult, man. Not that you can't do it ever, but I don't think I don't want to be a Debbie Downer. You know what I mean? But I don't think I've ever seen a open world game made by a solo dev. Maybe was Tunic solo dev? I'm trying to play that game. Tunic looks sick. But why the fuck is this breaking? Oh, you know what I mean? Stardew. I guess it's open world. I see what you mean. Yeah, it's doable. I guess when I think of open world, I think of fucking Breath of the Wild. Dude, why isn't this working? I swear this never happens. Like, why is all this changing every time I open the fucking project? Git status, git reset, hard. Okay, let's reopen Godot. Oh, did I open the wrong version of Godot? That could have been it. Stardew is open world. It's a Metroidvania, and I hate that fact. That's a Metroidvania. You don't fuck with them. I might have been opening the non-multiplayer build of Godot, which would have been funny. and probably why Steam can't be found. I hope. Yep, we no longer have that error. And we run. Stardew being one hurts you. Okay, we go in here. Ready? Okay, so I've set up a lot of stuff since we last kind of chatted. Mainly being interactables. Before, we were able to tag people, but it was a specific mechanic made only for tagging. So I've kind of built that mechanic out into a generic interaction system. So you can turn lights on and off, etc. You can go over here. This guy just prints shit. Excuse me. And then when we start the game, we get tossed into this level with nothing in it. So our goal today is to kind of make the level look nice. You know what I mean? Yeah. Give it some, I kind of did a little bit of gray boxing, but I think it'll be interesting. Okay, so now that we figured that out, let's do a little planning here. Let me crack open the old obsidian real quick. Make sure I don't leak anything here. Prototype, use that game. Crack this open. Go back here. Oh, go back here. We'll call this like environment inspiration and considerations. Make that boy a bit bigger. So what do we want to have? My initial thoughts are like, we want to have like a damned, like maybe little tunnels or like little secret tunnels that connect rooms. We want it to be like an old school mansion type vibe. What else do we want? My friend uses this program for D&D. Yeah, Obsidian is dope. The learning curve is like that, but once you kind of get it down, you can customize it to do like anything you want. Yeah, exactly. Secret tunnel behind a bookshelf. Let's write that down for sure. And what does that mean? That means we're going to need to have an interactable bookshelf that opens and closes, or that you can push around. What else do we want? We want to have stairs, like curved stairs. Let's do this. Curvy mansion. Yes, fireplace. Fireplace for sure. It was, the idea for this game was kind of inspired by this old OTV video where they played hide and seek in the damned Winchester house. Let me show you that. No memento. Winchester house. It's this old house that was like built with all these, I think that's AI generated. It was built with like all these weird, these are all AI generated. Oh my god, Jesus Christ. These like weird. Let's see, maybe these have some good photos. It's like a massive mansion. Like, look at this shit. I'm pretty sure the original one burned down. But essentially, I'm pretty sure she like had a house and it was super haunted And so she was like, went to a spirit medium and she was like, oh, you gotta swish around your house. You gotta build all this weird shit. And so she built some really weird shit like stairs. I want to try to find some like stairs that go to nowhere, you know, like weird stairs like this shit. Like these tiny little mini stairs. These weird doors. Like just weird layouts. But I think this is a good thing to look at for inspo. Like it looks AI generated. That's a great way of describing it. I feel like it's like, like what am I looking at here? You know what I mean? Like all the proportions are just off. Like this window is like the size of a door, and it looks like it's going into another room. You have this weird like, you know, banister hole. Yeah, it's like a maze. That's why I think procedural generation could work, because I want the player to feel lost in the house, kind of. At least the hiders I want to feel lost. These aren't really good examples, though. Let's see. Basement room inspo, maybe. This is some weird shit. I guess just storage, maybe. Hello, lady. This is outside. Gravestones. Maybe there could be an outdoor area, but I don't think I want to have an outdoor area. Maybe balconies, though, that are outside. There was like one weird... there was these stairs that kind of went like this. Yeah, furnace in the basement for sure. I'll add that. Furnace, room, and basement. Basement. There were these weird stairs that kind of like went like this. Let me pull out the old Wacom boy here. It was like stairs went down like this, right? And they kind of hooked around again. And there was like a separator in the middle. So like stairs like this, right? Going down this way. And they kind of hooked around, and then there were more stairs here. And then like same shit. Like it went like this. Stairs here. Like, and it was inside. I can't find a reference image of it. But it was super weird. So I imagine like this would be a fun, you know, moment. Like if you had a player, right? And then you had another player that was the tagger. And you kind of had this guy, and he's like running down the stairs, right? And the other guy's chasing him here. And like you're constantly running around like this. You know what I mean? I think that could be fun. Jump over railings to get to the bottom really fast. Yeah, so that's another thing I'm trying to consider is like, should the mechanics in the game, should the movement be like very basic to where like you can't even jump? So it kind of puts the players on a really even playing field in terms of like skill maxing. I don't know if that's how you say that. In terms of like the skill the player has, or should it be like parkour, like you can vault over ledges and like all that shit? I'm really confused on how, or like have a grappling hook or like all these fucking crazy things, because I think the simpler the better. So maybe, yeah, jumping could be a thing, but that would be it, maybe. Like no vaulting. Like any ledge you see, you have to be able to jump onto directly. Maybe. Excuse me. But I'm not sure. Let me see if I can find a reference image of these weird stairs. Yeah, it would be frustrating not to be able to jump. Or maybe just like a shitty jump. You know what I mean? Maybe you have a shitty jump. You know what I mean? Here, let's go back here. Winchester House, interior. Yeah, like, look at this shit, dude. Like, what is this? Oh, you can't even see. Let's click on this. Like, weird stairs to nowhere. Like, this kind of sets up perfectly for procedural generation, because you can set up a room. So the idea of procedural generation is like you can set up like a bunch of, you know, pre-made rooms, right? That you then connect with different paths and stairs. So a pre-made room could have a stair set, right? That either connects to another room upstairs or it doesn't. But if it doesn't, we can just block it off. You know what I mean? Like add a ceiling, and then it's part of the design. You know what I mean, of the interior. Yeah, getting over railers, getting on a table. Yeah, I think that would be good. Yeah, let's find more images here. Oh, here's an image. Here. Like, it had this type shit. Like, these are the stairs. Really weird. I also want the player to be able to like look, like, you know how in Mario Kart, when you're driving forward, you can click a button and it'll look behind you. I want to have that too. So like if you're getting chased, you know, you can run and then click a button and look behind you. You can see like the tagger running after you. I think it'd be funny. Let's see what's in this article. Random images of house, interiors, weird ass stairs. Crews were rumored to work 24/7 on the house to maintain a steady rate of construction in hopes of keeping the angry spirits at bay. Whoa. Staircase that leads to nowhere. Yeah, like this thing. 44-step staircase that only goes up one floor. Cabinets that open into walls. Like, it's like a perfect subject for like a procedurally generated witches stairs. What are witches stairs? Oh, whoa. Yeah, the house was procedurally generated in real life. Yeah, it was. Straight up. Cool spiderweb thingies. Mechanically will be the same, but look funky. Yeah. That's not a bad idea. Winchester was also rumored to practice spiritualism or Wicca. She held the only key to the seance room in the house. Ooh. That's another thing. I'm trying to figure out like good tasks. I don't want to call them tasks though, because then it's so Among Us coded. You know what I mean? It should be called something like quests, goals, hider goals. Yeah, maybe goals. Seance room has 3 exits, but only 1 entrance. How does that work? Aren't all entrances exits? And vice versa. One door opens into a drop leading into the kitchen. Yeah, like this type of shit, dude. Like it would just be so, you know. We could call it we could call it Winchester, or we could call the game fucking I don't know. Take pictures of certain things, of like ghosts. It's not a bad idea. Let's add a new heading here. Hider goal. Just steal stuff? Steal what though? I was thinking like one of the tasks I had in mind was like find all the books in that thing. That's a really basic one. Find all the books in the house, you know what I mean? What did you say? Take pictures of monsters / ghosts, maybe. Collect series. Wait. Collect series of items, books, pictures, etc. Steal valuables could be good. But those kind of all boil down to the same goal, which I guess is fine. But it does make procedural generation kind of hard if we do that. That's the thing about the tasks, is like, if we make them, we make the room procedurally or the map procedurally generated, then we have to, the tasks are gonna be a lot harder. Extra cash, yeah, something. Hello, Jablinski. Hello, Jablinski Games. Come on up. Come on up, Bubbas. Come on up. Come on. Come on. Oh, Bubbas. Oh, there we go. Oh, Goji. Oh, hello. Boom. Say, baby. Make the goals be random choices out of all the options for the map. That works better with handmade maps, though. Yeah. Wait, what do you mean, random choices out of all the options for the map? Like you get to choose? Wow. Because, like, let's think about it. Like, the reason we want to have tasks for the hiders is just so the hiders aren't just hiding. They have to constantly be moving throughout the map. That's like what the goal is. Like, if we look at the outcome, hiders should always have to stay moving for the most part. You know what I mean? Like have the game select 3 goals out of like 7 options just for variety. Oh yeah, I think that's a good idea. Like each map could have a bunch of goals. Yeah, they'll be randomly doled out to each hider. Each hider will have 1 goal, is what I'm thinking. But like once a hider has, you know, done their task or their goal, their next goal is to untag frozen hiders. Collect pictures and photograph traps. Yeah, that could be good. Das could be good. I think this is good. We're getting some good reference stuff here. Where was that? This one here. Like that, shrink it down a little bit, right? Stairs that lead to nowhere, right? They mentioned this shit. Extra cash. But what's the cash for? I wasn't even like gonna have cash, but if I don't know, maybe there could be. You could get items or some shit. I was thinking you could find like abilities or something, maybe. Like a top hider, kinda. But the hiders want to work together. You know what I mean? You don't want to give the player who's a hider and like how should I say this? Like an initiative? Not initiative. A reason to, you know, not unfreeze. I guess I don't know. Only on Twitch, exclusive contract? No, we should be live on YouTube. Am I tripping? Where is it at? You know, we're live on YouTube. YouTube. Are we not? No, really? What the fuck? Well, yeah, what the fuck? Why aren't we? That's odd, isn't it? That's fucking odd, isn't it? It says we are. What? Hold up. YouTube. Bookie. So I've been late. Weird. You did help. What the fuck? It literally says I'm live right now. Okay, let me just do a little bit of. Here's my OBS. Boom. How about now? What the funk, dude? Is YouTube washed? Two seconds. Go live. Oh, unlisted. Why is it unlisted? What in the damned? What the fuck? Okay, now it should be good. Appreciate you, Carsonic, dude. There we go. That's weird. How about now? Refresh. We're live. We're live. How's the volume?
Sandwiched between the two generations.
Oh, little ad. Quick little ad, you know what I mean? Skib. A little ad. Quick little ad, you know what I mean? There we go. Okay, died. Now everybody's here. What is up? What's up, gamers? What is good, gamies? What were we doing? Oh yeah, doing inspo. Getting inspo pics. Hello, everyone. U-Titty, Jelsic, Damned Century. I've been live unlisted on YouTube for like the last 45 minutes. Arsenic saved the day. Let me explain what we've done since. Let's see. What have I done since last stream for the game? We have done was this? Open up the old GitHub. Let me grab my laptop. BRB. Okay. And explain the first 40 minutes of this one too. Hold up. We didn't really do much. We've just been kind of chatting about potential mechanics in the game. Let's see. So we had freezing and unfreezing. You know, I think last time we chatted, but I was doing it kind of shittily. And the reason it was shitty. Yeah, Lampon and I were brainstorming. Status. Oh. Cool. Me tired, dude. Wake up, dude. It's Halloween, dude. It's Halloween, dude. So we boot this ass up, dude. You know what I'm saying? Then we boot this ass up over here. No defined scene run. We boot this ass up. We host. We get put into a lobby scene, right? Lobby scene. And on this guy, we join. I'm tossed in, right? Oops. Wait. Hold up. Hold up. What happened? Join. Don't break. That'd be crazy if you broke. Wait. Wait. Hold up. Did you really switch to Godot? I did. For the most part, at least for now. Errors. Uh-oh, Skedio. Uh-oh, I think I see the issue. Oh, fuck. I'm all over the place, Chatterinos. I think I changed something that needs to be fixed here. Oh, yeah, can't find label username text. Okay, let's open the character here. You think you'll ever revisit Unity? I mean, I have to. I have a game I'm working on releasing for Christmas. The Snowman game. But I don't know. I like Godot a lot so far. It's great. And I think I just love the idea that it's just an open source guy. You know, you can publish your games. You don't have to give any cut to anyone. You know what I mean? It's all you. I actually also really like the idea of composition as opposed to inheritance. Unity, you know, uses inheritance for most things in terms of like object creation and like scripting. But Godot kind of favors. Why is Firefox Incognito open? You know why, King. You fucking know why. You of all people. It favors composition as opposed to inheritance, which kind of, you know, I think it allows for more modular code. It like forces you to write modular code, which is great for game dev. I just switched to Godot. Yeah. I mean, I'm not saying you have to. Like, Unity's great. I loved Unity for years. I used Unity for fucking, damn, how long? I started doing game dev in like 2016 probably. And then started using Unity in like 2017. 2017, that's like, what, 7 years? What is composition versus inheritance? So inheritance, right, is like you have a script. Let me do the old pirate software here. Here, watch this, Chatterinos. Ready? Oh, wait, I have to change it. Okay, hold on, we'll wait. Hold on. composition, or inheritance, I should say. We'll start with that. Is like, see how I can do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't fucking write. Hold on. I'm no pirate software. I'll never be him. Let's see. Let's go here. It's easier. So, inheritance is like you have a script, right? You've got a script. It's like, you know, let's call it like an interactable script. That's a great example. There's a lot of like times you want to create like interactables in your game, but you want the interactable that you're interacting with can be a different thing. It could be like a lamp, like a fucking, you know, door, an item, like another player. You know what I mean? And you want all of these objects to have a function like the interact function. So in your interactable class, you'll have like a interact function, right? That is abstract, or, you know, that can be overridden. So then when you have your lamp, oopsies, where are we at? We got our lamp class, right? You have your lamp here, right? Your lamp would then override that interact function. Like so. So it would have like its own, it would be like override, interact, right? And you could have things like on interact, like if is off, turn on, otherwise turn off. You know what I mean? With composition, and then like your door, for example, let's do another one here. For your door, it would be like you override the interact function. Oopsies, spaghettios. You'd have like is open, close, and if it's closed, open. You know what I mean? So that's how like inheritance works in Unity. But in Godot, instead of having your interactable script be the parent, you would have something like your door. Like you have your door class. Whoopsie skettios. You go this, you take this guy. We got our door, right? And then this one would have, whoopsies, as a like a composed within it would have an interactable, right? And then this interactable would have what is called a callable in Godot. So it would have a, oops, I can't do it. Here we go. There we go. It would have like a callable, which is like the interact function, right? And then in order to use this, make this small. In your door script, you would have, like in your on ready, for example, on start for the Unity heads, in ready, you would have a like interactable dot interact equals, make this bigger. Sorry for anybody who's not into game dev that's here right now, or is this gonna be over soon? Equals our interacting function. So for this bad bench right here, whoopsies. We gotta do a lot of moving here. We would have a damned function for our door be like I don't know, on interact or something, right? And we'd have the same code as this guy, right? But it's within the door script, right? We're not overriding it. We just have that. You say like open, close, door. And then in your ready function, you would set this and say, the interactable interact function now equals open close door. You know what I mean? Does this make sense? Does this make sense, ladies and gentlemen? This is making sense. Bro, these go hard. These nuts. Inherit these nuts. Okay, cool. Love the font and diagram. Oh yeah, it's Obsidian or Excalidraw. Oh yeah. Twitch sucks. You want to know something cool about Twitch though? You guys want to see a little hack? So Twitch has ads, right? They run ads, you know, it pauses the stream, you can't watch it. But something cool about Firefox is this. Watch this shit, dude. Let's go on Firefox. Let's open Twitch. Right? Let me pop this guy out. We're on Twitch, right? And let's say you want to go watch Squeaks. Great streamer, funny guy, right? You open Squeaks' stream. Okay, hold up, he's not. There's no ad. Hold up, let's just wait for an ad real quick. We need an ad. Stans. Give me an ad, Stansy. Add me. Come on. Give me an ad. Oh wait, let's try incognito.
These queues have been so long lately. Is the game actually?
Let's go to Twitch. Oops. Twitch.tv. Okay, we're watching Shroud. Still no ad. Damn it. Hold up, maybe let's try
We're all getting
Summit 1G.
It's that one movie.
What's your name?
Give me an ad. Can't you schedule ads on Twitch? Yeah, you can. I don't know how to do it though. Maybe just tell us. No, I gotta show you, dude. It's for the short, dude. Oh, here we go. Oh, damn it. Come on. Hit me with it. Maybe if we just refresh. Oh, wait. I swear we just got an ad. Okay. Ready? So we got an ad, right? Taco Bell. Oh, wait. It's not working. Oh, my God. I don't know why it doesn't work right now. Essentially, okay, I'll explain it here. I'll probably show another example. But usually, when you get an ad, there's a little view window up here of like what is going on the stream. It mutes it or whatever while the ad is happening. But in Firefox, you can pop out different video sources on the web page. And when you pop it out, like this, right? There's a little toggle down here for sound that you can unmute. So literally, you can fucking pop out the actual stream that's happening and unmute it, and then mute the ad that's happening and watch. Does that make sense? I don't know why it's not working. Or why it's not showing the... showing the little thingy, but anyway. It does work. Show us tax evasion? Sorry, I can't do that. Can't do that one. Anyway, what were we doing? Oh yeah, showing off. You're still looking at the ad though. No, you're not. See, that's the thing. That's why you do the pop out. God, I wish I could just get an ad. How do I just get an ad? One second. We're gonna try one more time. Squeaks. No ad. No ad. It does work though, I promise. I promise. I would never lie to you. Because like you pop it out, and whatever you pop out on Firefox as a little window, it overlays over everything else. So you can put it over the ad and unmute it. Anyway, this is why we need the example, dude. Can't explain it. Oh, what's this? Text to diagram. Whoa, they added some AI shit here. What were we doing though, dude? Oh yeah, fixing this error. Multiplayer spawner. Oh, we gotta open the character. Okay, errors. Synchronizer. Which one was it? Character text. Can move rotation. I think it's this text one that's fucking up. Delete text, and we're gonna add property. Graphics, label username. Excuse me. Text. Okay, that should work. Fix something. Git add all and git gmid. Good night, Jelsic. Appreciate you, King. Git commit fixing usernames and git push. Git bowl. Okay. Now, open Godot on here. Godot opening. Opening. We run it here. Make sure we have no errors. No errors. We run here. We join. There we go. Right? So we got our guys. We got a person on this screen. And now, if I look over here, and then this player goes over, we can interact with different objects. Like here, we can interact with the light, turn it on, syncs across. You know what I mean? Syncs across the network. And then when I press start game, we're tossed into the game, dude. Or the level. And right now, I'm the tagger as Buki. And I can go up and freeze them. And then we get tossed into the back into the lobby because we won. We froze all the hiders. So that's pretty tight. But right now, what I want to do, and I know that sounds like very little work, but that took fucking forever to do, to set up an interactable system. But now we got it working, dude. So now instead of like having a dedicated tag manager on the player, where it like checks like who you can tag, like if you're a hider or a seeker. Now we have just a generic object. So we have like a player tag area that the player can use to tag players that we disable if they're the tagger. And then we have an unfreeze one. We just swap them when they get frozen or unfrozen, which is pretty cool. But yeah, but the goal for today is to really set up the environment a little bit, do a little bit of gray boxing. You know what I mean? So a couple things I want to do is I want to set up in Blender. I've set up these modular pieces for making levels. So I have a door, a wall, a ceiling, and a floor. And I want to have a tunnel one. Because the idea is that like the player can like, maybe there's a little hole in the wall behind a bookcase and you can go through it. I think that'd be fun. So I want to make that. So let's do it. So I think I'll use the door as a reference. Toss this over here. And then we can go ahead and we can shrink this bad bench. Go to here, go to here. Oh, whoops. Let's go like this. Be like that height would be good. Like a little thing behind a wall, you know what I mean? And then we need to have an actual tunnel tile. So maybe that can be, how do we want that to work? You know what I mean? I guess we could just extrude this. Right? Extrude it, and then we'll need, yeah. Yeah. So we can have like this guy. We'll want a copy of the floor. Drag it back here. Like so. Right? Yeah. And then we can kind of make it bigger. Maybe like, oops. Like that, or maybe do it like this. Maybe. And then what we want to do is create a hole in this. So we can say, oops. Create a loop cut the same height as the other one. Like that? Would that work? Scale in the Y. Make it like exact. Like that, maybe? Create another one here. Like that. And then we can slide this guy over. And then we can take this face. Whoopsies. And then delete that ass. You know what I'm saying? Delete this ass. Username doesn't think my username is bad little. Do they know it's just huge titties? I don't know, man. Was not expecting that. One here, one here. One here, one here. Boom. 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 Oh, I think we can just do this, actually. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Right? So now we've got that. Now, real quick, I just want to make sure these measurements line up. So that's 5.23. Or this is 8.14, and then the door's width is... This is... Oh, wait, we can move back over. Boom, 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 boom. This is 8.16. So we want it to be 8.16. So we got to go here, tab, wireframe, vertice, select, scale Y, shift, 0.1. Oh. Scale Y, shift. Like that. And then what's the height on this one? 9.837. So this should be 8.37. Wait, why is that 9 though? Fuck it. Okay. So now we have that. We've got our hole in the wall, and then we've got our tunnel. Do we even need that though? I think we do. And low key, high key, this should be the same height. Yeah. We're cooking. We're cooking. Now this should be the same height as the wall. Like that. That makes more sense. You know what I mean? So now we don't even need this piece. I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? And then real quick, let's just move this over here. We will say Control A, all transforms, move the pivot, move it back over. Yup. And then we can name this like tunnel straight. I'm realizing circles and guns 0.5. Releasing circles and guns 0.5. I ran out of ideas to add to this update. Yeah, dude. Update frequently and test often, dude. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, dude? Okay, so that works. We can then export that. Export GLTF. Go to our models. Call this tunnel straight underscore straight, maybe. And then we want to only include what we have selected. Exporting away, dude. We've got that here now. We create a new inherited scene. And then we can create a new mesh. Collision shape, tri-mesh, boom. And then we can go here and we can move this guy. Oh, wait, hold up. Collision shape, tri-mesh as a static body child. Tri-mesh, perfect. And then we can move this guy. Turn snapping on. Move that guy there. Perfecto. Godot is confusing at times, but it's only because of Unity. You know what I mean? Because you're switching engines. I mean, did you use Unity before? Let's go to scenes, modular interior. We'll call this tunnel straight, save. And then in our level scene, test level. No, not test level. Where's that level? Levels. Game level. There we go. Now, Chad, you can delete this wall here. No more wall. And instead, we can add our straight tunnel. Like so. Rotate that bad boy. Move it into place. And then we can move, let's move our dresser here. So we can test if we can fit in there. Okay. Let's run it. He was and still is my main game engine. So you're just testing out, you know? Yeah, same skis. Start game. What the hell? Oh, There it is. Okay, it needs to be a little shorter. Or our crouch needs to be a little shorter, potentially. I think I want our crouch to be shorter. What do you guys think? Right? You should be able to crouch into something that small. I don't know, though. Crouch smaller, yeah. Or should it be like a prone? Small crouch needed? Because, like, what if there's a crouch and a prone? Because crouching, I want you to be able to be quieter in the game, you know what I mean? You crouch, maybe you can peek around corners eventually. I think it'd be cool. Crouch and prone. Let's do a prone. What should the prone button be, though? Let's see. Crouch, sneaky, prone into small places, but even slower. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, dude. Means you have to code more stuff. Control, but control is already crouch. How do other games do it? You double tap, right, or something to prone. Hold down crouch button. Yeah. I'm just gonna set it as its own button for now, but in the future probably want to do that. Prone. We need to open our. Damn, we need to do some coding. Damn it, I wanted to do. Are we getting distracted? Are we getting distracted, ladies and gentlemen? You know what I mean? Yes, but it's fine. Is it? Is it though? Prone enabled, and then we can go here. It'll take 2 seconds, right? 2 seconds. Crouch enabled, prone enabled. 2 seconds, dude. Oops. Prone enabled. Okay, now we'll find crouch again. Crouch enabled. Here. Okay, so we just basically need the same shit, but for prone. Crouch enabled. We'll change this to prone enabled. Prone enabled. Crouch mode. Do this guy. Prone. 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 Crouch mode is button prone. And they're not sprinting. Proning. Enter crouch state. We'll need to change that. Proning. Crouch ceiling detection is colliding. Enter normal state. Okay, same shit. Crouch mode is equal to 1. Prone. Proning. We'll need a new detection for proning. Enter crouch state. I mean, enter prone state. Okay. Copy this. Dude, if this works first try, dude. And we're goated. Grouch, I think we can leave this. We do maybe need to add separate prone animation. What up, Austino? What up, brother? If it doesn't work first try, I'd hand it to ChatGPT. No. Never. You don't succumb to that behavior, okay? Prone. Okay, we need to change this to be motherfucking prone mode. And then prone mode. You know what I mean? Proning, and then we need a proning ceiling detection. How does ours work now? Oops. Whoa there, cowboy. Where's that at? Collision mesh. Where's our... Oh, this guy? We'll duplicate. Prone ceiling detection. Swimming up, trying to big fish. I've been trying to big fish. I've been fishing like it's yesterday, dude. Cursed fins, you got there, brother, dude. Hey, this man's handsome. I don't know what you're fucking talking about, dude. That's a handsome guy. You can never have arms like that. Not even two streams ago, you used ChatGPT for a shader. What are you talking about, dude? Never have. Never would, dude. Never would use ChatGPT, dude. I would never stoop to that level. Okay? Okay? Cute titty. More like little titty. Okay? You know what I mean? Dale. Yeah, exactly. Dale, on the other hand. The goat. ChatGPT's like fucking stupid. Dale's fucking tight, dude. Okay, prone detection. Jesus. Okay. Well, how does this work? Looks like it's a sphere shape and it's set to a specific radius, 0.5. So I don't know, let's change this to like 0.25. Oh, I see. No, we want 0.5. It's the height that's different, right? Alright, we can't listen to this. We can't listen to this. He goes, them said. Let's just disable this really quick. Graphics, turn you off. Wish we would like highlight it some way in the editor. Oh, maybe this is why. That's why, silly me. Let's move it down a bit. Okay. Venus. Okay. So we got that. Let's find this bad boy. We can change this to prone ceiling detection. Prone ceiling detection, lit. It's funny, dude. Okay, Jesus. It's a funny word. You an Alex Smokes mid viewer or something? Oh, enter normal state. Does the crouch animation actually change the collider? Because that would be something. That would be crazy. It does. Shid. Play? How do I play it? Oh, it just does one frame. Flipped. Appreciate you, King. I don't see any auth checks in that script. For the crouching? Yeah, the crouching is not synced across the network. Which is fine for now. As long as the player can move through the shit, I guess maybe it'll be an issue. We'll see. We shall see. There are auth checks though. Here. It's in the update method. We just check and we return if we're not the authority. This guy. Bazinga. So we need a damn prone animation. Dude, I told you this wasn't gonna be easy, dude. Prone. And then we can change. How do we change this? How do we change it, Dad? Godot gods, I need help. Human reproduction part, not gonna get me with that. Not gonna get me with that, so think about that, maybe. Okay, it's shrinking the value from 2 to 1. So we want to make it from 2 to like 0.5. But how do I actually edit this? Edit key, copy key, cut key, insert key. Scale. Oh no, this is where we're doing it. Oh, here. Oh, sick. Change this to like 0.5. Change this to like 0.1 actually. Or I can just shrink the player's size or the collision size down to 0.1. It won't look as good. But for now, you know what I mean? Nah. We don't care about visuals here, okay? Make him flat. He should be flat. This will make him flat for sure. This one also here. This will be funny. Although it's not going to sync across. Oh, wait, hold up. It's not going to sync across the network. Do that. Gotta go back here, scale. Change this to 1, change this to 1. Head position. Oh, right. 1.5, we need to change that to be like 0.5. All right. Oh, wait, why is collision broken? Only non-uniformly scaled node will probably function as expected. Shmeep, dude. You know what I mean? Shmeep on that. Could replicate the state and animate on state change locally? Yeah. Oh, wait. This is what we look like with that animation. Here, let's close out of that. How do we close out of that? Wait. Hold on. Go back in our code before we forget. Where's our crouch? And we'll say or prone ceiling detection dot is colliding. Where's our crouch? Where's our crouch? Handle state, yeah. Sprint mode, crouch enabled, prone enabled. We need the animation. Enter crouch state. Enter prone state. Play animation. Prone. Oh no. Hold up. Wait, play crouch. prone animation. Oops. Prone animation. Where's crouch animation at? Whoopsie. Right. Okay. And then we can go to that. Oh. Fuck. Hold up. Turn graphics back on. No. Inspector. Scale. 1. Oh, fuck, dude. What did I do? What did I do? Transform. Okay. Okay, we're back. So we need to duplicate crouch animation. Call it prone animation. Go to crouch. Here we go. Now we're cooking. We are cooking. See? See what I'm talking about? So that's crouch. So for mesh scale, we want to go down to like 0.25. Position. Will be 0.25. Yeah, like that. And then our collision scale will go to 0.25. Position 0.25. Head position will go to like damned 0.5. Yeah. Right? We'll call this not crouch. How do we rename this? Edit. Autoplay on load. How do I rename it? Edit. Apply reset. Bake animation. Add reset values. Make easing function. Godot heads in the chat. I need help, dude. Edit. I guess we can just keep it as crouch for now. Fuck it. We're testing this. So then we just say play crouch. That's fine. And then here, if we have if read state is equal to prone in, we can say prone animation play backwards. Right? Okay. Enter prone state is called where? Nowhere. So that's cool. It's pretty cool. It's a fun fact. Here we need to call. Oops. Cool. And then where else is crouch state used? Oh, is that it? I swear there's more. Am I tripping? Okay, should we just try it? Give your real name as your server name? I mean, if it's just for the homies, why not, dude? If prone enabled. Right. Prone mode. Right. Right. So we need to set up a prone button for sure. Call it, I don't know, left alt. Project settings, projects, input map, prone, add that, boom. All right, right here, we should be able to prone. We'll get real tiny small. Get real tiny and small for you. Ready? Crashed. We crashed. We crashed. That's all good. You know what I mean? That's all good. We crashed, but it's all good. What line is it on? 488? 448? 448 can't call method play. Oh, we didn't set it, dude. We didn't set the animation, girl. Sign, prone animation. Now it should work. Easy. Ready? Prone. Ooh, dude. Prone. Okay, and we start game. Can we enter our little hole? Can we enter the hole? Here's our hole. Prone. Shid. Okay, we're stuck. We're stuck? Why are we stuck? Why are we stuck, chat? Chad. Hold up. That kind of worked. Let's make sure our tunnel has the correct collider on it. Seems like it does, right? Yeah. So that's cool. That's a pretty cool thing about us. Proning. Play crouch. Oh, I think it's because our reset is fucked. Right? On our damn prone animation. Right? No, that's fine. Let's go to our crouch animation. Position of our mesh goes down to 0.25. Scale of our collider goes down to 0.25. Where's the collider at, though? Oh, is the collider in the wrong place? No, it's that tiny little guy there. Right? That's our... Yeah, we have our collider here. That's good. Mesh scale. Collider position. Is good too. So Porqué at no work. It has to have something to do with the tunnel, right? Post. Start game. Crouch. Oh, maybe it's our damn ceiling detection thing. Yeah. It's the same as our crouch right now. Let's change it to be like 0.25. Tiny little guy. I wish there was a way to like more easily see the collider, because right now it's just a tiny little. Oh wait, is that it? Wait, no way. We disable that. Confused. Let's just try that for now. Raise it up a little bit. Disable graphics. Can we see it now? Oh, there it is. Why is it offset? Okay, let's try it again. Crouch still works. Oh wait. Oh wait, crouch is fucked up now. Did I change? Damn it, dude. Fuck. Lois. I see. I was pressing. Okay, hold up. Oh my lord. Okay, we're back in. So crouch. I was pressing the crouch button, not the prone button. And it still doesn't work. Okay, cool. Cool, man. That's cool. Make sure everything's assigned correctly. Crouch animation, prone animation, right. Enter prone state, prone animation, play. If previous state is proning, then go crouch. Okay, so we need this one too. Oh, that's cool how you can do multiple cases in one switch statement. It's cool, like normal crouching and proning, and then make that. Let's just find everywhere we have crouch. Make sure we have proning there too. Because it should be the exact same. We have prone there. We have prone there. Prone there. Prone there. This is for when the ceiling is too low for the player. Too low and the player needs to crouch. Right. Oh, we need a reset here maybe? Prone, animation, reset. Next one, we have a prone here as well. That could be interesting. And then here. And state is not equal to proning. This is not how I should be doing this. We're getting distracted. But we're already too deep. Crouch enabled. Let's find the next crouch. Crouch enabled here. So we have prone enabled, prone mode. Prone mode. Input is crouch and is not sprinting. State is not equal to proning. Enter prone state. If statement is equal to proning, then enter normal state. Use prone ceiling detection as opposed to that one. Yep. And then if prone mode is equal to 1, and the input for prone is pressed, state normal, enter prone state, enter crouch state. Yeah. Right. Okay. And if we're not colliding with the prone ceiling detection, we enter normal state. Yep, so that's good. Next crouch. Enter normal state. Okay, here we go. If proning prone. Appreciate you, LampBot Media, dude. Appreciate you, man. Enter prone state. Let's find the next crouch iteration. Right. prone. State equals proning. Crouch speed equals, yeah, prone speed. Play animation. Okay, cool. Enter sprint state. We have this one as well. Play backwards prone animation. Yep. We have that as well. Okay, that should be everything. Okay, let's try again. Add graphics again. Dun, 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 dun. Excuse me. Okay, now we are successfully, I don't know why our crouch is the same as our prone, but you know, fuck it. Dude, why? Don't understand. Is it not small enough? It has to be. Just can't jump anymore. Okay, guys, we're getting distracted. We're getting damned distracted. We decided we're gonna do environment art. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna switch branches. I'm gonna store this shit. We're gonna say git branch. Testing, proning. What? Huh? Oh. No, oops, wrong command. Git checkout, /b testing proning, git status, git add all, git commit. Tested proning was taking too long. Insert. What? Oh, paste. Okay. Okay, we're back. That was a bit of a distracted time, but we're gonna change it. Here's what we're gonna do. Oh, fuck. That's okay. That's okay, right? Where's Tunnel Straight now?
How does it still have a reference to this if the if the Tunnel Straight GLB file is gone?
Remove that. Get rid of this. Don't save. And when we play, it should work. Start game. Right, and we don't have our thing. Okay, perfect. Now what? I got rid of everything. I went back. Okay. Oh yeah, we need to fix this again. Did we already fix that? Yeah, we did. Okay, cool. Let's go back in here. Export this. Tunnel straight. And we're only going to select the things that we have. Yup. Mesh. Yup. Export. Spooky day. It is. It is indeed. Spooky day is today. Go here. This is correct. Yup. Okay, cool. And then we want to create a new child scene of that. Inherited scene. mesh, create tri-mesh collision shape as static body child. Boom. We have our collision. Go here. Toss this guy over here so it's centered. Perfect. Save. Test tunnel straight. Yep. Perfect. Go to the game level. Get rid of a wall. Oh, not a ceiling. Get rid of a wall. Take our new tunnel straight. Toss her in the game. Rotate that hoe. Perfect. And then we can change our crouch animation to be smaller instead of fucking adding a new state. Let's go. Right. Okay, so perfect. So we can do this. We'll say crouch ceiling detection. Let's get rid of our graphics here. Okay, so that's the crouch ceiling detection. Instead, let's put that down a little bit. Turn on snapping. Okay, it already is on. Oops. That down to like here. And then on our crouch animation, reset should stay the same for everything. It's the crouch that should change. So the scale on the mesh should go down to 0.5 might be fine. And then this position, just put graphics back on. And then the position should go down to 0.5 as well. Yup, perfect, perfect. Our glasses are staying there, but that's fine. Collision, same thing, 0.5. 0.5. Head position should go down as well. A little bit. Or that's up. Yeah, no, we want to go down. So I'll say 0.75. There we go. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Save that. Go in. Run that hoe, dude. Run it. Start game. And it works. So much simpler. Dude. We got distracted and we didn't need to. Okay, cool. So now let's create another guy here. We got to create an angle connector guy. So we got to duplicate this. Move it over. And then what do we want to do here? We essentially need to copy the whole. Yeah. So this is what we can do. We can go like this. What's the width on this? 0.816. So we need one for 0.1816. We can go scale in the X. Oops, X. 0.8116. That's not right. Oops. .816, perfect. And then we can delete. Whoops. This face. Whoopsie daisy. Why does that do that? Oh. Face. Okay, perfect. This is not how you should do this, but this is how we're doing it anyway. Perfect. Perfect. Go in here. Great face. Face, face, face. Oh, you know what? Actually, while we're at it, we should probably create one that's like, can go all 4 ways. So this one goes 3 ways. We need one that goes 4 ways. Boom, boom. It should be easy to do. We'll go like this. Delete faces. Delete faces. Cool. Cool. And we'll create one more, which will be easy with this because we can just duplicate. You know what I mean? And then we can just fill in these guys. We don't need a triple one right now, I don't think. Excuse me. Cool. Cool. Our normals are going to be all fucked, I already know. Cool. Okay. Call this tunnel turn. Call this one tunnel intersection. Perfect. And now, save. Let's call tunnel turn. Let's export that ass. Tunnel turn. Okay. Going to Godot. New inherited scene. Mesh. Collision shape. Boom. Move that little fish over. Save that ass. Tunnel turn. Go into the game level. And now, moment of truth, dude. Moment of truth. Oh, wait. Yeah, no, this should work. Go in here. Tunnel straight. Or no, tunnel turn. Right? Right, dude? Play. Host. Starred. Grouge. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Getio. Oh, wait. I have it flipped wrong. Normals are also fucked. Okay. Normals are fucked. Let's go in here. Alt N. Flip. Save. Export. There we go. Okay. then flip, export, boom. That should work. Okay. Post. Let's go, dude. Can't go through here. Can't go through here. Nice. Okay, we have tunnels. One other thing I want to do is I guess it's fine for now. I want to take the ceilings of these and flip the normals. So we can see through on the top. Same thing here. Go here, export. Tunnel turn, and then if we go back, there we go. Now we can see our turn, which is cool. And then same thing on this guy. Go here, export, GLTF, tunnel straight, export. Boom, now we can see our little tunnel. So cool. Oh, it's fucking hot. Okay. But now what should we do? We have tunnels. I wanted to do environment art, eventually. Well, what should it look like, I guess is the question. Initially, I was thinking like a PSX, PS1 style graphics. But I feel like that would almost be harder than like creating good looking PS1 graphics. I feel like would be even harder than creating shitty like low poly assets with like actual geometry. Because the thing about PS1 is everything was baked in, right? Like if we look at where's a good guy here? What's that? Where's a good guy here? Oops. We look at this. Like, I feel like it'd be harder to make this look realistic. You know what I mean? Like, it relies heavily on textures. But I don't know how to create textures. I guess I could learn. I don't know, though. I guess for now, I kind of want to just keep doing gray boxing stuff. You still need stairs. I want to be able to create like a big room with like stairs on either side, with like a banister. Source engine grid texture, yeah, dude. I want it needs to be spooky, dude. It needs to be spooky. Spooky. Oh wait, Austin, are you home right now? Okay, are you game deving right now? Or are you still at work? You're home? You be Devin? Okay. Okay, give me 2 secs. Chatterinos. Chatterinos. It's been real? It's been real, dude. I don't think anyone's here. So, Austin, I was thinking maybe me and you could do a little bit of Devin, dude. A little Devin, dude. Just a little bit. You know what I mean? Word? Okay. All right. Thanks, everybody who came. Love you, mean it. Love you, mean it. Adios. I'll have an actual planned stream maybe next time. I don't think these dev streams are like the move, really. Not very interesting to watch, at least. So I think next time I stream, it will be a planned thing. Maybe playing people's games, etc. Yeah. So, he's out now. He's out, man. I love you now, man. I love you now, man. Goodbye. Goodbye.